On 16 December 2012, a 22-year-old woman was brutally raped by four men in a bus. And then many more cases are similar and common. We, the ace makers, consider the women's security and safety in travel and introduces She Move. The main problems faced in this type of scenarios can be threat to safe and secure travel experience, lack of convenient and comfortable travel, lack of private compartment for breastfeeding mom, and lack of means to get good food. Our system provides a solution and expertise to these problems by introducing a women-only bus named She Move, which is transported by the women and delivered to the women. We introduce the breastfeeding compartments, and we also provide homely food from the empowered housewives. And we also provide a safe and secure travel experience to all the women and young ladies. This is a basic working type protocol made using Bootstrap HTML and CSS and using Python Django. So a user will be directed to a home page, thereby showing our highlights and our essential features and services provided by the system. Whenever a user wants to search for a particular bus, she wants to log in or register. By registering, she will be providing some essential details which has to be stored in the database. And the user who wants to log in once again, and the same will be redirected to a page which is showing the results for the particular input entered by the user. Then the system shows the system results based on the user's input. The system shows the available buses, their departure time and their ticket fares, the available seats, everything on a single seat. Here the pink color represents the seat for breastfeeding mom. And then we'll be asking for a confirmation whether they want to add an additional meal which is provided by the housewives and refreshments, and thereafter they have to do the payment. And once the payment are successful, it will be shown on the user's profile and they can later on cancel the ticket at any time. The another end user of the system is a housewife or a caterer, which will be serving homely food to the customers or the travelers. So here there are three functionalities for a caterer. She can view the orders that has to be processed today, and the orders that has to be processed in the future, and the order that had been processed in the past. We also have a driver login in which she would share the live location in order for the bus tracking. Finally, we have an admin panel in which the admin logins to the system and have many functionalities including changing the bus route, changing the buses, managing the housewives, and managing the revenue and ad management.